Stephen, were carrying the vision with this initiative of Sunke abandoning as a blockchain. I'm telling so I look at leader more. We as a transformational leader, I try even your church, and see most people yador. Because many Jews kera wira wadina run. Empire so kera an opportunity what having for Bafombi with his leadership. Ntafa berisa President Banjika una pam limia only limi or only akusi young. The we sacrifice a lot for years na advombi. The we sosi banks in some we law wamreauni, we law warriauni, vervin vevelim berauni for pam. Bekimala warriauni, Empire Jews and Kera Sherka, Unkifa Kera with him moving short. President Banjika yo lo jai for young age masumina for bam. Bikabi for sumit the bena the fucking care with them. I've seen Yurim for me and Kisunin von Kongsunin, Amusa Jumbam Sungnin, education. And so you need Sungnin kum support Dr. Lawang Sungnin kum Yasi. I've seen lay Sungnin with the Musin Yeji. Agriculture drum more the link to the various initiatives and carry. Before allow agriculture, like Ayonkinyoke health. Allow the agriculture, education, when he sang Kefariga, Maosan U7, Wasang Kefacho the end product of agriculture. Allow the agriculture, culture from Kongyongi. Like Oyi Kumchum, before Chumdren Bear da, Asem da be the thanks to agriculture. But Vichivia Sem Shobi, Vision Bar Vichivi the Mabai or replace it. Basically, Lord Relapse in Yokunakan Chum Siguna Mankarbi. But I can agriculture me lay if Chive Shway at the fair hour, Bidua Pinkira. Alone peace more for me can Sunine. Allow you will lower Shiki Longa Funina do parents must be a regime. I know with the phone in our we come issue a lot tarja in 80 to 90% problem for Agilo Jamio and Simosin in Mayun. Agriculture law solve that problem. So in my very willing, Mina Yongsayeji so the Agricultural Renaissance Initiative one of the first visions of being up and the first campaign. I'm over in presentation in April 2020. The commotion, the attention, or with the fund shop, we give a lot of mena as a with this unlike the other initiatives, with the fund far fasting. Before for efficient, very lay Liowa, Bamia, with the Agan, Yena Yiki, Draki Twinning, and in with him in national market. So, Mtasafa Berry with around a limit. Now, especially our facilitators, before very creating a group of about 40 people. I mean, later, we organize for efficient, we create a facilitators group. That facilitators group made up of myself as a chairperson, the vice chairperson, Shane Tassin Luis, the president of BFU USA, and then Akira secretaries about the main secretary, Dr. Lawan Prudencia, assisted by Madame Bungai Hilda. And then Akeri gives Sabidrum to act as a chief whip. So we need to Tom around Lim. I've laid screen and laid the membership ordinary across there, about 40 people. So the we never around Lim for the almost 8 or 9 months. I'm quite very around the phone be Banjika. The next slide. Banjika Duvumbi.
Objectives of NARI.
Okay.
Delay.
All right.
There's a delay. Right.
All right, no problem. Now, very tiny in age, okay, Baya Duvumbi. Ilayo ya Agavinyo Gan Asetia objectives very guided are two major objectives, meaning the first one, the business and party in the 4 year, before transforming agriculture so from artisanal agriculture to second generation. That's what your party, Mammy, we barrack so it will do work. Our white if for Amina Shijigisaran Tanin and Car. Our lim define a way oji, our before la lim basangi in March, limit June, limit December. It will be possibilities. But for you can get you can transform it into second generation agriculture. I can more get a machine by 1 million jobs. So what the major objective allow from artisanal farming to second generation. The second major objective for you can I need the four involved with it, and for involved with it, I need the four research institutions that are financing this sector as a drug fair. And our family we on board, I can create what we call a risk-sharing finance mechanism framework. At the framework that we are sharing in the risk value. The financial institution we are sharing in the risk while we show. So that we need low if the risk that well measured. I mean, TASA, any other international organization, we're only dealing with risk sharing, the insurance company, I mean, Tomsa, a financing manager in a way attractive. Before agriculture, that young land modern, ben for any bank, what do I do the financial agriculture? But I consider agriculture as a value chain. Agriculture is a value chain. From transformation, from production to transformation and commercialization. And in we finance without financing agriculture. We do other production, we do other transportation, we do other storage, more commercialization. We I mean, the now only age for they see production. We wrote financing production being winner. We wrote transporting winner and so on and so forth. So objectives is about artisanal to second generation, then risk-sharing finance mechanism are the two major objectives. Then, very meaningful for me, okay, after the objectives, for you the efficient area, our creator focus groups. Now, out of the 40 members of the group, okay, agricultural technology for you transform it from artisanal to second generation. Our Kera a focus group that is looking at the agricultural technology. This focus group headed by Mfomisum Richard Chin. Only a very wonderful job. Only need to identify the various geographical locations where each crop will live for. Il lay the various technology walls for transforming any of these crops. Il lay the storage mechanism for each of the crops. Only lay to lay farmer apple caves in the law yana the quadra quashia, the only word and Nangompi. Allo apple is very well for that. Only identify with them. Min lay even to Mbasango Kibrin, Ayi Kibrin, Mbasang Akudri Wokia, 2021 in so very low lane, and only need to discover what we are fairly machine of Kibrin Basangi Pamenda. Ni yana daga fa the one level la it training our fera machine be show amami mina use fa kibing basang show ling basang la okuna bubu ne ke bam. So the new issue only lay and na carry another focus group at the Nari Finance was headed by July Eric. The group was shown lay at the okay since you are financing agriculture as it do into second generation agriculture. We have seen needy for service in the finance Idrala, Asicare African Development Bank, Asicare World Bank, Asicare local banks, Care Campu, Care MCD, Accredited Union Vatican for in almost every village. Only identify with him. Only identify with here is why you don't to second generation agriculture. So you produce if have a name. But I need 4 years certify 4 year feeling, but somehow living in so even Bangvi one. I need a partner who young aging Basangon Soma, young Basangon so board number one. The social liminaran so board number one. So only identify our partners vinadam. Mean identify various the way we get America, for instance, out lim sum for la, out carry for la for lim sum for show. We ganle. So the we're in the last 1 4 year carry in your show. Very miniwa carry a third focus group. Akilimbike focus chez Martin Lamlen, Sanki Wunki Jung. At the wood we done in 1 lay more Kinuka Sumki water. At this focus group, the latest one over seeing creative. I'm young that the most important because education is the key. Allow you the vision of some carry adult atomy education by Jivira. So no she lamlene many party focus group, no name a party, very many yafen. Especially the first 6 months till June. Our layer asa Daniel Willia asa identify a youth. Listen, we are drinking with Adrado young the Kiadade Dwala Pamenda. Most especially before one drop back for la. Around the Lord, you have since young Pinyaki carry fee. I'm more very weary. Our Matanga. I want you just assume Ata will be done. I am limfwa you with Junga Kivinyo. Allocation nyanga with teacher. So she landed on a team only within the first 6 months of 2021. I've limited around the Jawa for an action plan. I will more see joining that particular focus group, Professor Tanka Julius Kewir, would inform me. I've seen Kid will be. Adu for Lamo Kamini, but adu for a machine where Ferrari sang music, sang music in what you want. Adu for Kid Cecily Mincy, Centrifenakia, Aku Quassia for a shunter. But I've seen already a machine been for our limits. So we're more sure we will see in a cake share a more sure. I couldn't chair if I could wear Daniel Central. So we very won't forget shaky. Now, we mean a lane okay, Nari organize at the trail. Nari Mumsi Young, Akera facilitators, care the various focus groups, the 3 focus groups, agri-tech, finance, and incubation. So we need identify new came we lim show bo lele yeji bo la wa do new show before be abayo ya capacity building at the kilo at the ekewo very many submittee yeji a progress report the president on soda umineli una we remain kai le new very sure show min yon yeji ma abani wa drag jun only wa tom we are doing from be una limrene min for very much min ne kin ne for sabe bitavi then in le dry milestone be before lawa yi nyo mo ka chikija wa yi akijun anti mo si akio align una vision no so carry. So another milestone of a caring strategic be ke enya year contacts mkisi young we finance the we created that contact with the various stakeholders, with the partners. The Wiraya African Development Bank, the Wiraya Ministry of the Economy, Ministry of Agriculture, the Wiraya Ano certified, the Wiraya African Guarantee Fund, while participating in the risk-sharing finance mechanism. So those contacts is to on. A major milestone was seen achieved. So kisuni ngimki kunkikema dar before very in presentations and name. I'm tafa conclude your President of African Development Bank. The Nigeria now will be Cameroon Yabwe. Very do meeting moya on the film to the Dramunta. I young from Drife, Dravomara and Dramin Yabwe. Our young Ariejika, young food and agribusiness sector. By 2030, in Africa, you have $1 trillion. $1 trillion, but $1 billion, about 550 billion CF. 1 trillion, and so you allow your age 2030 in 9 years. About our Benjamin so, and then you have $1 trillion. So you have even 0.0001% for. And so that the study I was looking for in Cambodia. But then listening Sabon Gariko, Gembu, I mean, in Nigeria. I continue to again. I work with June. But one to value African Development Bank. But by age at the vision of Sinkeri, our Kitabin, that's all your HMT. So I'm very simple. Very.